Now I'd like to invite a special guest that who traveled from Kashmir. He's a Kashmiri leader. He's been fighting a war for freedom for a very long time. So this is not a political event. This is a non-profit event. And I'd like to invite Azeem Dutt. Please come. Azeem Dutt.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम व सदक़ रसूलुल करीम. First of all, I say to all women and men, Happy New Year. Happy New Year to everyone. After that, one thing I want to say here, state of Jammu and Kashmir occupied by Mughal government in 1586, 28 June 1586. After that, Afghanistan, Sikh was ruler of state of Jammu and Kashmir. 1846, Sikh government defeated by British government by the war fine. Sikh government gave the state of Jammu and Kashmir to British military or government. British government sell out that state 18 March 1846 to Maharaja Gulab Singh. He was a patriarch of Jammu. He bought the state. After his death, his son Ranbir Singh was ruler. After Ranbir Singh's death, there was Pratap Singh, ruler of state of Jammu and Kashmir. Pratap Singh had no daughter or son, so he handed over the state to his nephew Hari Singh in 1925. 22-year Hari Singh ruled state of Jammu and Kashmir. In this scenario, 1586 to 1947, there is no India, there is no Pakistan. Only Kashmiri was the owner of state of Jammu and Kashmir. When 1947, Pakistan government first entered 22 October 1927 in state of Kashmir, their military and Kabaili. After that, 25 October 1947, Indian government sent the military and air force in Kashmir, and then both countries occupied some pieces of land, as Raja Mukhtar Sahib said here. India brought this matter in United Nations. United Nations make a commission UNCIP. UNCIP, India is representative as Czechoslovakia. Pakistan make his representative to Argentine, and UNO make 2 members Colombia and Belgium. This 4 member make United States of America his member. That UNCAP, United Nations Commission for India and Pakistan, decide India and Pakistan both quit their forces and civilian from state of Kashmir. That commission passed a resolution in 13 August 1948 in which resolution India and Pakistan both agree to quit their forces and civilian from the state of Kashmir, and they give the time to Kashmiri decide their future. There is already decided this matter. No we can, India is illegal, I say Pakistan is also illegal. In Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, Gilgit-Baltistan is province, that's illegal act from Pakistan. In 2019, 5 August, Pakistan, India changed the occupied Kashmir situation. But this change Pakistan made in 1949. He finished our independent countries' organs like foreign ministry, our military, everything. So I said to my colleagues, my brothers, first you have to learn about Kashmir problem. This one problem is only which is decided. Whole world said to India, Pakistan, they negotiation about this problem. But I say there is no need to negotiation between India and Pakistan, because United Nations has decided this matter. We the people from state of Jammu and Kashmir, we think, we do every day, every month, every year, every time to United Nations. You have the duty to implementation of the resolution 1398. I think I say something long. मैं आखिर में आप सब आज़ाद का, अपनी माओं बहनों बेटियों का, जवानों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ। बिलखसूस सगीर खान साहब, आसिफ साहब, इन्होंने जिन्हें कश्मीरी अमेरिकन एसोसिएशन जो बनाई है, इसके जो मकासद है, अल्लाह ताला इनको कामयाब करे और इसको आगे लेकर बढ़े। वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग।